Hey guys, and welcome to our Linux Professional Institute Certificate Level 1 or Lpic1. I'm NeOr and I'll be your instructor on this course. Linux Professional Institute is a non-profit organization that develops standards for Linux testing and certification. This course will help you to gain necessary skills to pass Lpic1 exam or administrate your Linux system. There are many certificates that shows you have Linux skills like Red Hat, RHCE or SUSE certificates. But the problem with these is that they are based on their own distributions. On the other hand, LPIC is not based on any distribution and it covers Debian concept and it also covers RPM based distros. If you don't know what distribution or distro is, don't worry. This course will start from the very basic stuff. Linux Professional Institute has levels for each specific aspects of Linux. Also, this institute rapidly is surveying from real-world system administrators and people who use Linux on a daily basis and see what they need to include in their different levels. Lpic1 has two different exams, 101 and 102, and each of them cover topics that are named 101 to 110. 101 exam covers topic 101 to 104, and 102 exam covers the rest. Even if you don't want to pass the exams, you'll know that watching this course will give you enough knowledge to administrate a Linux server or manage your own PC. Remember, LPIC certificate also has a version, and the version that we are going to instruct is 5. For additional information about the test, such as validity period or objectives of each exam, you can visit Lpic1 webpage. This is our training pass for 101 exam. The first topic or 101 topic is system architecture, and our main objectives are introduction to Linux, determine and configure hardware settings, boot the system, change run levels or boot targets, and shut down or reboot the system. 102 topic is Linux installation and package management, and our goals are design hard disk layout, install a boot manager, manage shared libraries, use Debian package management, use RPM and YUM package management, Linux as a virtualization guest. 103 topic is GNU and Unix command, and the objectives are work on the command line, process text streams using filters, perform basic file management using streams, pipes and redirects, create, monitor and kill processes, modify process execution priorities, search text files using regular expressions, basic file editing. And the last topic on 101 exam is devices, Linux file systems, file system hierarchy standard, and here are the objectives. Create partitions and file systems, maintain the integrity of the file systems, control mounting and unmounting of file systems, manage file permissions and ownership. I hope this course will be useful and helps you on your journey. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and give us your insights in the comment section. So hop on and let's ride this Linux road.